G'day, welcome to Breeze. Find your place in your quiet zone. If you don't have a quiet zone set up, try and find somewhere quiet you can settle into your practice with a little chance of being disturbed. Remove as many possible disturbances as you can, especially your phone notifications. Either sitting or lying down, make yourself comfortable where you are and close your eyes. Breathing nice and deep, relaxed breaths in and out. Feeling the weight of your body press down on the surface below. And now just keep your focus on your breath. Notice any possible distractions around you that come and go. And just let them be. Just a thought in your mind. And keep bringing your attention back to your breath. As you continue, slow your breathing down a little bit. Especially your exhale, and make it with a gentle sigh out the mouth. When you concentrate on your breath and slow it down and sigh, you feel less stressed. This is because you're using your natural innate ability to relax, and that happens when you breathe out. Just keep focused on your breath, and every so often sigh through your body and let your nervous system calm down. We're going to focus on a slow count. Match your count with your breath. With a 1 on your next inhale and a 1 on your next exhale. Followed by a 2 on your next inhale and a 2 on your next exhale. And continue in your own time. If your focus has drifted away, gently bring it back and start your count again at 1. If you've counted up to 8, simply start again back at 1. Counting on the inhale and again on the exhale. When you realize your mind has gone for a wander, gently bringing your attention back to your count, still focused on your long, slow exhales. letting your body and then mind relax. Notice how when you concentrate on slowly counting your breath, your slow exhales relax you and you feel calmer. This is because your mind is occupied in the present moment and your whole nervous system is able to stand down. So when any stressful situations arise in your life, bring your attention to your breath and spend a few moments doing a slow, focused, internal count to calm yourself down. So bring this new skill you have back into your life as you slowly bring your attention back to the space around you. The feeling of the surface beneath you, the weight of your arms and hands. Take a moment in your place to reflect on your time spent here. Do you feel any different for having taken this fraction of time out of your day? What did you realize or learn? In your own time, slowly opening your eyes, remember that this technique can be done anytime, anywhere. It's easy with your eyes closed, but you can do it with them open too. So next time you feel anxiety arising or stress coming on, simply breathe slowly. Focus and let your mind and body come off guard and relax. Whether you're struggling to sleep at night or want to calm down after an argument, following this breath work is incredibly relaxing for the body and the mind. If your mind wanders, always be light on yourself and gently bring your attention back to your count. Practice this skill regularly so it becomes something you can rely on when you do need it. See you soon for another valuable video by Breeze. Have a fantastic day.